Hello students, today I am going to explain you the new topic in marketing course. The name of topic is market segmentation. So using different type of market segmentation allows you to target customers. Why market segmentation is needed? To target customers based on unique characteristics, create more effective marketing campaigns, and find opportunities in your market. Now, market segmentation helps you get to know your customers, identify what's needed in your market segment, and determine how you can best meet those needs with your product or service. So, market segmentation is very important tool generally company used for targeting their customers. Now, in detail, we see the next point about market segmentation. So, what is the definition of market segmentation? Market segmentation can be defined as the process of dividing a market into different homogeneous groups of consumers. Homogeneous means same groups of consumers or customers. Why segmentation is essential? By segmentation, large heterogeneous markets are divided into smaller segments that can be managed more efficiently and effectively with product and services that match to their unique needs. So, for effective management, such type of market segmentation is very important. Market segmentation is beneficial for the companies serving larger markets. Larger markets means big, for big companies. Such type of market segmentation is very important. Now, in this slide, I am showing you uh, one diagram of market segmentation criteria. So, these are the different criterias. Here I am showing you 4 criterias of market segmentation: geographic, demographic, psychographic, and behavioral. So these are the different variables, and with the help of these variables you can segment the market. Okay. Now, basis for consumer market segmentation. Basis means types. There are number of variables involved in consumer market segmentation, alone and in combination. These variables are geographic variables, and the variables which include geographic nature, we can call that particular segmentation as geographic segmentation. Then demographic variables comes under demographic segmentation. Psychographic variables comes under psychographic segmentation, and behavioral variables comes under behavioral segmentation. So now we explain one by one 4 types of market segmentation. In that first one, geographic segmentation. In geographical segmentation, market is divided into different geographical units. Like I mentioned here examples of geographical units: regions. In that, by country, by nation, state, neighborhood. So the different examples comes under regions. Then population density, in that I mentioned urban, suburban, rural. Then city size, in that size of area, population size, uh, and growth rate. Then climate, in that regions having similar climate pattern. So a company either serving a few or all geographic segment put attention on variability of geographic needs and wants. So company have to focus this particular point: variability of geographic need and wants of that particular customer. After segmenting consumer market on geographic basis, companies localize their marketing efforts. Marketing efforts means marketing mix. They have to focus product, advertising, promotion, and sale efforts. So these are the different points I discussed in which particular type, geographic segmentation. Now I'm giving you an example of geographic segmentation. The luxury car company choosing to target customers who live in warm climates where vehicles don't need to be equipped for snowy weather. Is it right? The marketing platform might focus their marketing efforts around urban city centers where their target customer is likely to work. So according to the situation, company prepare the particular luxury car. So this is the example I'm explained right now regarding which particular segment, geographic segmentation. Now demographic segmentation. Demographic segmentation, in that market is divided into small segments based on demographic variables. So which are the demographic variables? I mention here age, gender, income, occupation, education, social class, generation, family size, family life cycle, home ownership, religion, nationality. Demographic factors are most important factors for segmenting the customer groups. Consumer needs, wants, use age rate, these all depends upon demographic variables. So, considering demographic factors while defining marketing strategy is crucial. Crucial means important. A simple example of demographic segmentation could be a vehicle manufacturer that sell a luxury car brand. This company would likely target an audience or customer that has higher income. For example, Mercedes. Mercedes. Is it right? But this particular luxurious car, that particular company focused for which particular peoples? Higher income peoples. Then another example might be a brand that sell an enterprise marketing platform. This brand would likely target marketing managers at larger companies who have the ability to make purchase decisions for their teams. So such type of examples you can mention when you explain different demographic segmentation. Then we discuss the next point, psychographic segmentation. In psychographic segmentation, segments are defined on the basis of social class, lifestyle, and personality characteristics. Psychographic variables includes different examples I mention here. In case of psychographic variables, opinion, interest, personality, then self-image, activities, values, attitudes. A segment having demographically grouped consumers may have different psychographic characteristics. Psychographic segmentation factors are slightly more difficult to identify than demographic because they are subjective. They are not data focused and required research to uncover and understand. So this is the point you have to know about psychographic segmentation. For example, the luxury car brand may choose to focus on customers who value, quality, and status. While the enterprise marketing platform may target marketing managers who are motivated to increase productivity and show value to their executive team. So such type of examples you can include in which type of segmentation? Psychographic segmentation. Now, the last type of market segmentation is behavioral segmentation. In this segmentation, market is divided into segments based on consumer knowledge, attitude, use, or response to product. Behavioral variables include usage rate, product benefits, brand loyalty, price consciousness, occasions. Here I mention examples, holidays like Mother's Day, New Year celebration, user status, first time, regular or potential. Behavioral segmentation is considered most favorable segmentation tool as it uses those variables that are closely related to the product itself. Example of this behavioral segmentation in this segment may be the luxury car brand choosing to target customers who have purchased a high-end vehicle in the past 3 years. So the marketing platform may focus on leads who have signed up for one of their free webinars. So brand loyalty, product benefits, these are very important variables when that particular customer purchase the product based on such type of segmentation. So you understand about the 4 types of market segmentation. First one is geographical segmentation, psychographical segmentation, then demographic segmentation and behavioral segmentation. So thank you very much.